Wednesday and Thursday. So you're working. You're so ugly. No, that's not my workout. This is my workout. Look at her ugly butt. It's gonna jiggle right now. Ew. Look at this. Hold on. Look.
You do not recording, right?
Ew, her ugly ass.
I recorded you when you were saying I don't have a life without my man and shit.
Beat his ass. Beat his ass. Beat his ass. Beat his ass. Hey, my phone! Stop! Thank you, Omar. Help me, Omar! You're psycho. Come on, get it working.